Pili Gwen! She's joining us today, Pili Malone! Okay guys, so yes, as you can see, sayang wala si Stacey today, but it's okay. She has to rest, pero mag-enjoy tayo, okay? The fun is just about to begin. So ladies, first of all, you have your microphones here. Mag-hi muna tayo sa lahat ng fans ninyo. Disney! Mabuhay! Super cute talaga, grabe. Paglabas pa lang nila, lahat kayo kinikilig na, di ba? So cute! Okay, so first of all, girls, congratulations! You are the newest MAC crew, di ba? And sobrang perfect kasi crew na kayo. Di ba? Kapag grupo na kayo. And I'm sure, kita-kita naman with your beautiful faces, you guys have a shared love talaga for not just looking beautiful, but also, you know, beauty and makeup. So, kamusta yung feeling na you're now part of MAC crew?
Well, of course, it started with a dream and now, di ba, nangyayari na talaga kasi kahit kami, kapag may mga events din kasi kami na kami yung nag-makeup sa set namin, lalo na kung mga recent namin na nasa US po kami, and MAC talaga yung ginagamit namin product.
Share ko lang po, parang nung audition ko mo, 2018, meron ako pictures sa MAC.
Okay.
Nalabas, tapos ngayon, isa na sa crew.
Wow! Parang na-manifest mo na rin in a way, diba? So, grabe, congratulations. Kayo naman, hindi konting chika girl talk tayo, diba? Since it's a beauty event, kayo ba personally, gusto ko lang matanong, if there's one beauty product na you can't live without, what would it be?
Kilay. Pangkilay.
Pangkilay. Sumagot ka. Ikaw, blush. How about you, girls?
Blush.
Blush
Like,
din.
pwede mga lipstick.
Same in-one. Yung pwede, parang 2-in-1 na, diba? So, super perfect talaga yung ating Glow Play Tender Talk Lip Balm. Because even if it says lip balm, pwede rin siya for the cheeks. So, super perfect, diba? Ayan. So, okay, guys. Excited na ba tayo? Alam mo, we all, syempre, beauty fans, like blooms tayo lahat. Alam na natin, diba? We always love seeing and watching them perform. Pero today, hindi ko mas masaya kasi makakasama namin kayo with our games. Okay. So, kayo ba guys? Lahat kayo mahilig with games?
Yeah.
Yes? Sino ba pinakamakulit sa inyo? Sino?
Si Gwen po.
How about, sino pinaka-competitive? Lahat. Lahat competitive? Okay, sige, ayan. So we're channeling that fun, competitive spirit, diba? So guys, kasama kayo in just a bit. Pero for now, maybe we can do a little sample. so 3 sila sa gitna, 2 and 2. So we're gonna play, ano na to, warm up lang. So papanoorin muna natin sila, okay? And then later on, kasama na kayo. Sino kaya? Okay, so for now, meron tayong different words or categories. Sige. So yung first, sino ang first group natin? Kayo na na?
Joanna po.
Sila? Okay, you nominate them. Okay, yung mauna. Dito tayo sa harap. Okay. Dito, yes, tatlo. Oo, why not? Diba? Okay. Kaya nyo yan? Okay. So, ayan. Okay. Ang first, sige. So, dapat nakatalikod konti. Paano yan? Sige, harap ka na lang konti and here. Di ba ganyan yan? Talikod? Okay, okay. And then, let's face each other. Pag sinabi kong 3, 2, 1, go. Okay? So, all you have to do is answer kung ano yung category. For example, sabi ko, name makeup products. In 3, 2, 1, harap kayo. Sabay-sabay yung sasabihin. Okay? So, dapat para-pareho kayo. Ano to? Psychic powers? Okay. So, kaya? Okay lang, warm up lang naman to. Okay? Sige, sige. Okay. And, sige, name a... Okay. Nakatalikod naman lahat. Okay. Just wait for my cue, ah. 3, 2, 1, go. And then sabihin niyo. You can say it after. Okay. So, name a color in... Yeah, color. In 3, 2, 1, go! Pink! May mali? Okay. Parang nakikita lang sino yung comment. Si Joanna pala. Okay, so ganun lang. You guys did great. Okay, thank you. Tama. Good job. Okay, thank you so much. Next, sino na next? Who wants to go next? Turuan sila. Okay. We have to love you. Okay. Sige. Alright, girls, you ready na ba? I'm gonna name it na. Okay, game. Name me a type of Pinoy dish or Pinoy food. Kahit anong Pinoy na food. In 3, 2, 1, go! Sinigang! Wow! In fairness sa kanila. Galing na. Galing na doon. Okay, of course, Mika, Joanna, it's your turn. Okay, ito na. Okay. Name a type of pet. Pet. So, animal ng pet. Pwedeng pet, ha? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! Cat! Yun lang. Okay lang yan. Team cat, team dog. Okay, so thank you girls. Parang ganun lang, ha? Okay guys, so this time, kayo naman ang mga kasama nila. So, we have 1 fan and 1 beanie member. Naglalaro lang. Okay. So, meron na tayong napili. Hello! Go! Ano na lang yan? Ano na tayo? Pairing, let's pair up. Nang-overwhelm sila. Okay, okay. Cute ba lang? Go lang, go lang. Okay, so 1 fan per beanie member, okay? Pwede mo may space pa dito, ha? Okay. Okay. Mag-hi hello muna tayo. Magkamustahan muna tayo. What's your name? Age? Paano naman may konting may konting conversation. Mag-hi hello muna kayo sa isa't isa. Kilalanin niyo muna ang iyong partner para mamaya magkano kayo yung hawaan ng thoughts. Diba ganun yan? Minsan pag sobrang close, parang alam na natin yung iniisip ng ating partner, diba? Yeah, let's give them a moment. Okay? Okay na? Okay, so guys, sino ang mauuna? Basically, kung tama, may prize kayong mauuwi. But if it's wrong, sorry na lang. At least you had fun with your beanie friend, okay? So, sino gusto mo na? Who's feeling ready?
Ako, Joanna. Kanya na lang papaganyan.
Sige, sige. They nominate you this time. It's okay. Let's go. What's your name?
Liza.
Guys, let's give it up for Liza. Liza and Joanna. Let's go. Sige. Ay, pwede naman dito na lang? Or dyan sa gitna? Gitna na lang tayo. Okay, let's go to the center. Okay. So, ito na siya. Ay, kailangan, pwede mo ba patanggal ng mask? Okay, okay. Ayan, face reveal. Okay, sige. Ready na ba tayo? Are we ready? Ready na? Joanna, ready? Yes! Okay, so, wait for my cue ha. When I say 3, 2, 1, go. Tsaka na kayo sumagot. Okay, this is our first question. Name me. A? Ay, may mic na? Okay. Wala pa ba na? Meron na? Okay, okay. Hindi ko magana? Okay. Galing naman talaga. Ganyan tayo. Bakit mic test po? Mic, can you mic test? Ay, wala pa rin. Sabi niya, thank you, ate. Ang nagkaya. Okay. Okay, your mic is working now. Yes. Okay, sige. Lakasan niyo na lang, ha? Okay, sige. Ito na. Back to back po tayo. Back to back. Let's go. Name me a type of flower. In 3, 2, 1, go! Rose! Okay, next. Paganyan ba or meron naman? Talo ka na to. You're next? Okay, Mika? Mika next? Mika next, okay. What's your name? Charlene po. Charlene? Charlene, guys, let's cheer for Charlene. And Mika! Ano, feeling, kamusta? Feeling nyo kaya? Kaya? Hindi po. Ayun, kaya. Kaya nyo ba? Wow! Okay.
Para kay Tika din.
Tama! Okay, ito na. So, ito na siya. Name me a beanie song. In 3, 2, 1, go! Camera! Ano yung sinabi mo, Mika? Ah, so cute! Okay. Kanya-kanyang strategy lang to. Okay, next, let's go! Hi! What's your name? Nikki. Okay, guys, let's give it up for Nikki. Nikki and Anna. Okay. Ready na ba? Okay, ito na siya. Madali lang to. Okay. Name me a month in the year. Any month. Month, okay? So can be January, February, one of those. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, go! January! Tama naman sila. Tama naman. Sabi nila, huwag na let's not make it complicated. Doon na tayo sa first. Yes, correct! Correct. Nakita natin, diba? Congratulations! Okay, so may pa-win. Oh, our first winner! O, diba? Napaka-generous talaga ng MAC Cosmetics. Oh, picture muna tayo. Picture. The two of you. Thank you, Nikki. Alis na siya. Nanalo na siya. Bye! Enjoy, Nikki. Okay, next. Are we ready? Okay, let's go! What's your name? Okay, guys, give it for Jericho! Okay, guys. Ay, wait pa picture. Ano yan? Okay. So, are we ready? Yes. Okay. This is it. Next question is, name me a type of food na sinaserve pag birthday. Birthday food. So, whether ready na? And what's your name again? Sorry. What's your name po? What's your name? Ano po pangalan niyo?
Beauty Almeri.
Almeri? Almeri. Guys, give it for Beauty Almeri! Okay. Ready na ba? Let's go! Okay. Name me a type of street food. Sa Pilipinas na lang, para sure. Street food sa Pilipinas, okay? Kaya na yan. Madali lang yan. Ano ba pwede? Kwek-kwek. Pwede barbecue. Ano ba ba? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Kumekon! Fishball, kwek-kwek. Parang gano'n sabi ng snake naman yun dahil. Basta binog.
Uwi na tayo.
Okay na yan. Basta nagsama kayo. May moment sila.
Pwede niya, same daw ang kwek-kwek at fishball.
Sa world ni Almeri. Okay na yan. But congratulations. At least may moment tayo, diba? Okay, Colette. Ready na tayo? Okay. What's your name again? Marilyn. Guys, let's give it for Marilyn. Okay, ready na? Okay. Name me a Beanie member. In 3, 2, 1, go! Ulit! So cute. Congrats, guys! Thank you, guys! Thank you sa ating mga fans. Okay, so game 1 and we're done! Oh, ang galing! Tapos na tayo sa game 1. Are we ready for game number 2? Parang napagod tayo sa kakasigaw non-stop. Okay, so we have the mechanics of game number 2. Silipin natin sa screens. Okay, sino ang magaling dito? The Whisper Challenge! So, ayan. Basically, napapanood naman natin to online, diba? So, meron tayong fan yung mga kasama ang ating Beanie members over here. And basically, yung fan yung naka-earphones or naka-headphones. Yung fan yung naka-headphones. And then, yung Beanie member ang maghulula. Okay? They have 1 minute to guess. Meron tayong timer. So, 60 seconds. Basically, kung nakulaan, panalo. And if they don't guess it, sorry na lang. Okay? At least you guys had fun. Pero ngayon, meron tayong, do we have a... Ayan. Ayun yung timer pala natin. Okay. Meron pa bang sample? Hindi na. Wala ng sample. Diretso na tayo. Okay, we have our players. Okay, andyan na sila. Hi, guys! So cute. Okay, get to know each other muna. Mag-hi hello tayo. Ayan. Okay, sige, checkahan muna kayo. Hi hello. Para meron na tayong ESP connection. Okay? Ano ba ang strategy ninyo? Baka pwede nyo pag-usapan. Kuhan ka, di ba? Whisper Challenge. So, dapat magaling kayo magbasa ng lips. Wow, very fitting, no? Kasi we'll play with our lip balms. So, paano kailangan mahulaan nila. Okay, we have 2 chairs. Ang ating hot seats, magkaharap sila. And yung fan, yung naka-headphones. Yeah? team leader. Yes? Okay, so, ayan. We're just making sure na lahat ng technical aspects, we're all aligned. Okay guys, don't worry, meron pa naman tayo 3 more after this, 3 more games. Ready na? Okay, so I guess we're ready. Sabi ni Joanna, hindi naman daw mag-start. Okay, let's go. Colette, and what's your name? Iris. Guys, give it up for Iris! So Iris, ikaw yung susuot ng headphones. So, ikaw yung manguhula. Yes. Babasahin mo yung lips ni Colette. Hey! Kaya-kaya! Saan ka pa galing? Malapit ka lang ba? Or Valenzuela? Okay, so ayan. Let's go. Ready na ba? So, Iris, 60 seconds ha. Pag sinabi kong go na tayo. Okay? Alalay na lang tayo sa mamaya magkaka-timer dyan. Okay? Parang enjoy na si Iris ha. Yes! May song kasi. Okay, para sure. Okay? Ready na ba tayo? This is our first word. Papakita ko na kay Colette.
Tatakpang kasi. Ay, ate.
Okay. Timer starts now. Low play. Hey! Low play. Ang galing! Ang galing siya! Parang, yes! You got it! Sabi ni Iris, base it! Galing Congrats! Congratulations! Okay! Sige. So, may pagkasample din yun. So, now, let's continue na. Sige, Maloy. And what's your name? Ay, sino ba? Hi, what's your name?
Isabel.
Bining Isabel. Okay, this time, para pahirapan namin kayo lalo, para talagang whisper challenge, hindi natin gagamitin yung mic. Okay? Yung mic mo lang ha. Kahit, huwag na rin yung malayo. Mamaya i-reveal naman namin kung ano yung word, okay? Sige, let's go. Para mas magaling nyo kasi. Okay, para mahirapan naman tayo konti. Okay, there's a challenge, okay? Sobrang lakas? Okay naman? Okay. Are we ready? Okay, so we have our next word. Okay, timer starts now! Pwede siya gumamit ng mic.
Gloss.
Cushiony blush. Okay, cushiony blush. Okay. Okay ka lang ba? Nakatingin na siya sa kama. Ina-enjoy na lang na yung view. Ang ganda-ganda ni Maloy. Okay, next. Okay. You got one. What's your name again? Han. We have Han over here. Cheer hub. 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 Cheer hub hum. Cheer hub. Cheer hub. Cheer up. Cheer up. Cheer up. Cheer up. Cheer up. Ang galing naman. To be fair, tama naman, cheer up. Cheer up. Okay? So, sa mga malulungkot dyan, cheer up. Okay. Okay, so Gwen and Han, picture tayo sa harap. Harap pa tayo konti, okay? Okay, next. Thank you. Thanks, Han. Congrats. Okay, Gina, it's your time to shine. What's your name? What's your name? Kriza. Kriza. Okay, guys, give it up for Bini Kriza. Okay, so, na, your birthday is... Wow! Amazing daw! Wow! Okay, okay. Let's go! Kaya? Game na tayo. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Tak! Kawanan! Kawanan tak! Kawanan tak! Kawanan tak! You got it! Basic nga! Uy, bakit naman lang yung talo? Matalo ka yan. Medyo mahirap to be fair yung shooting blush. Okay. Smile. Okay. Smile, guys. Thank you, friends. Next, we have Aya and... What's your name? Alva. Alva. Okay, Bini Alva. So, Aya, the name word on. Okay, and kunin lang natin yung headphones. Ha? Ano daw? Okay. Oh, mag-like ka muna, Aya. So cute. Okay, Mika, Joanna, kamusta naman? How are you feeling about this next challenge? You feel like you'll win it or mahirapan tayo? Eh, panalo na to. Oh, wow! How do you, Mika? Ano? I mean, whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens, happens. Okay, ito na. Let's go, let's go. Okay, ready na tayo. 3, 2, 1, go! Alam mo yung action? After the word. Okay, okay. Sige, just na lang. Sure. Sure. Cute. Sure. June. June 11. June 11. Alright! Yay! Okay, Kiara, parang proud na proud. I love it. Congratulations to Bini Alva. Aww. Yung una, akala ko di na makukuha eh. Ano yung jure? Jure? Okay. Okay, last two. Okay, Mika, it's your time. And what's your name? Julia. Bini Julia. Okay, Mika, this is your word. Or these are your words. Okay, so cute. Okay na.